Installation of Lodestar CL series indicators. The procedure for installing indicators of the Lodestar CL series on the line without disconnecting the voltage supply. Install a portable assembly tool on a dielectric rod. Install the indicator in a rod with a cup holder. Fix the Lodestar CL in the cup holder by turning it slightly to firmly fix the indicator. Using a dielectric rod, bring the device to the wires. Hook the device clamp to the line wire and pull it towards you. Twist the wire into the center of the clamp. Release the mounting sleeve by turning the rod. Remove the bar with a cup holder. Indicator installation has finished successfully.